Hello, good people. This is Isaac from IWM. I hope you're doing as good as I am. Today, we want to talk about relationships, and not just any ordinary relationship. The relationship between the bass drum and the bass guitar. And we want to focus on the way those two instruments are played and how you can produce the feel that gets into the song. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's dive in, shall we? Okay, first of all, as always, I want you to listen to what we have here. And I want you to listen to what the bass drum is playing and also what the bass guitar is playing. Okay, so what's very interesting here is that the bass drum and the bass guitar is almost never playing at the same time. Sometimes they are, but most of the times you first hear the bass drum hit, and then the bass guitar comes in and fill out that blank. And what does that make is that it makes the two instruments very interesting. You can hear both instruments very, very clearly, and they leave space for each other. So let's hear it again. And I'm gonna add more elements to the mix. So this is something that you can really try in different genres of your productions. It doesn't have to be this neo-soulish type of song, but it can also be a pop song. So again, what you want to do is to first of all make sure that you hear both instruments. And one way of doing that is what we do here, to let the two instruments bring space to each other by not playing when the other instruments is playing. So try that, and if you like what I do, subscribe to the channel, which is really growing, which is wonderful. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.